Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Pinterest laundry room makeover. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, my name is Cristman. We moved into our fixer-upper last year and I have been documenting the process with you guys as we slowly transform every area of this house. So if you guys like home decor, if you like before and after and makeover videos and organizational content, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. Give this video a thumbs up if you are excited for another makeover, and let's just jump into the video. So for today's video, we are tackling our laundry room, and oh my goodness, this room is a disaster. I am embarrassed to be showing you guys this footage because our laundry room is a complete mess. This room serves obviously as a laundry room, but also as the mud room to our house. This room has a lot of purposes, but not a lot of function. The original washers are on their way out. They're about 30 years old. I have to run the dryer like 3 times to get a load of clothes dried. So we need to replace them already. So I figured, hey, let's just finish the whole room transformation while we're at it. Let's just go big, you know? If we're gonna fix one thing, let's fix the room. Because this room is like the cleaning hub of the house. We have vacuums, we've got our Swiffer, we've got reusable grocery bags, we've got things all over the room and all over the floors. Trying to actually do laundry and fold laundry in this room is a complete disaster because of the overflow of stuff everywhere. Goals for this room: make it functional. Being a mom of 2, I feel like I'm doing laundry all day long. So if I'm gonna be in the laundry room 60% of the day, I would like to enjoy my time in there. Leave a comment down below if you also feel like you're doing laundry all day long. I would like a folding board, you know, a little space that I can fold everything out. I would like more cabinet space so I can put our vacuums in there, put those reusable grocery bags in there. I want it all in a cabinet off of the floor. Now it's time for the makeover process. I enlisted the help of Inspired Closets Chicago. You guys have been following my makeover series. You know that they did my work from home office/closet as well as my daughter's closet. They come up with such creative storage solutions and really awesome workarounds that make your space look aesthetically pleasing but also function their best. So the first step of the makeover process was having one of the designers come over and measure the space and actually tell us what would work in our room. We talked about our goals for the room, what we wanted to change. She brought over a bunch of different options that we could use from countertop, from quartz to laminate to butcher block. I feel like everyone thinks I want marble everything, and look, people can change, people can grow. I did not want quartz in the laundry room. Is this the biggest shocker of all time? Maybe. This home had a real brick floor in the mudroom. Since it's kind of already got a rustic feel to it, we wanted to keep that throughout the room. So we were going back and forth between doing either a laminate countertop or doing the butcher block. I was back and forth because the butcher block takes a little bit more maintenance. If you're a mom, maybe you feel the same way as me, maybe you don't, let me know, but I just don't want one more thing to maintain. I feel like every single day of my life is maintaining, cleaning. I just didn't want one more thing that I had to worry about when I feel like my whole day is filled with worry and anxiety. So I was like, hey, we could do the laminate. That would give the same look we want. But my husband insisted on the butcher block.
There's some sanding involved and you have to like oil it and like seal it. I don't know, yeah.
I think it's cool.
I mean, I think it's cool. We're not necessarily the cleanest, you know?
I just care more about look, you care about function.
I feel like it's a common assumption about Cody that I'm just like this bulldozer who's like pushing through, making all these decisions, doing what I want, and he's just on the side like, okay, when it couldn't be further from the truth.
You go for the look. I don't really care about that. We can throw that vacuum away.
Y'all just need to know that Cody is actually behind a lot of these decisions. Why do you think these makeovers take me so long? It's because I gotta get Cody on board. The designer at Inspired Closets who was helping us do this makeover was also really honest with us because we had these hookups for the washers kind of like in the middle of the wall. They were kind of an eyesore. It's not something that you see in a lot of Pinterest inspiration photos, and I was like, can we cover these? What can we do? She was helping us come up with a solution that would actually work in case we needed to fix these ever. What's the #1 rule?
Always be recording.
Just missed out on some golden bloopers. I'm so sorry. We're on our way to Inspired Closets right now to the showroom. We wanted to see the hardware in person so we can finalize our decisions for that.
Don't stop recording.
My creative director is coming with me to the showroom.
The #1 rule of vlogging.
Never stop, never stopping. It's Teddy's first time to the showroom too. Teddy's gonna have the final say when it comes to all of our decisions. So guys, it is time. It's install day at our house. Everyone's outside. They're about to take out the old washers and get started on building out the laundry room. I am so excited. I'm gonna film some clips where I can while they're doing the construction. I don't wanna get in their way though, so I'm gonna try to head out mostly for it, but I'll be back to show you guys the reveal once they're done. So this is now our finished laundry room, and I cannot believe this is my laundry room. I'm seriously so excited to do laundry and to fold clothes in here. Absolutely love this folding board. It has made me so excited to do laundry and fold clothes, and Inspired Closets came up with this completely custom to the ceiling cabinet that has so much storage for our grocery bags, for our vacuum, for our laundry supplies. It holds everything that was in this room before. We added a second row of coat hooks so the kids have their own space to hang their jackets. This really has turned into the perfect cleaning hub for our house, and I am just so excited to do laundry in here. All right guys, that was my Pinterest laundry room makeover. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks guys, see you next time. Bye.